Yo. All right, what we got going on today? Where's gold at now? Okay, so gold on one. Dailies very weak bullish. I don't know, guys. Are we looking at some gold sells again? Some more gold sells? Is gold gonna push up, or are we coming back down? Are we still coming down? It's a weak push. It's a weak push. It's been struggling. 4 hour. Yeah, see, look, we've tapped into this 4 hour resistance. You know, we whipped away from it. This current 4 hour it looks like it's struggling. It's struggling to push up. Let's drop down to let's look at the 1 hour. So 1 hour candles bearish. The previous one is trending down. Respect to the high, broke the low. This current candle pushed up, is respecting the high as well. So on the 30-minute, we've got a double top, but we're just hovering above the daily flip. We're hovering above the daily flip. So yeah, let's see what happens with Goldie. But barely got a bottom wick here. Yeah, I think we potentially come down to this support, retest the Asian lows. Right, yeah, so I think we I don't know, I'm looking at gold sells today. I think we get a bit of a pullback. Let's see GJ. So pound yen's currently bullish. Nice daily continuation patterns played out here, like very nice continuation pattern. We broke yesterday's high, well, broke all these highs to the left, clean range up. So I think GJ, this 4 hour flips bullish, reflips bullish. I think it pushes up, it continues up. Yeah, 4 hours, like I said, 4 hours closed above. But right now the 30 minutes at a bit of resistance. It's been hovering around here, but I think if it pops, we get a nice push. Yeah, GJ's been pushing since this 4 hour support down here. It was a very slow push up. So this was it yesterday? Yeah, yesterday was looking at the buyers, but this didn't take anything. Too busy watching gold tank through here, but looks like the divergence played out. I'll ask Gbpjpy when she joins today about that divergence. But anyone take any trades today? How's everyone's London session been? Anyone catch any moves? Where's my chat actually? Benny, what's good, man? What's good? What's good? What's good? Watching these prices over here. My bickies. Yeah, hello, hello. Rosie, you're holding Gbpjpy. Beautiful, beautiful. I actually took some gold sells today. Gold sells. So I was looking at some buys on this candle here because I considered it a closure above. I wasn't really counting the daily flip, but it was more so a closure above this resistance and this resistance here. I had the resistance levels closed above. I was waiting for a bottom wick, but this candle just flew right up, straight up. Just needed a little bottom wick. It just kept on pushing. 270 pips. Then we've got this candle, and I actually took some sells on this candle right here. Took some sells, and my TP was a retest of this resistance, but I closed it a little bit earlier. So I got in, it was 11 something, 11.55 I think it was. It's about 11 something. Anyway, here, and I closed at, I think it was 97. So what did I get out of it? 80, 160, so it's 160 pips. Yeah, close about here. Yeah, 4095. It was decent. It was decent. It was decent. I'm looking to do some trade recaps on a Saturday, just to go over some trades that I've taken for the week. I'm working on something. So yeah, we'll see. But yeah, well, what do we think about gold today? I missed those sells. Yeah, man. It was very quick. It was very quick sells. Real quick sells. How long was I in that trade? Let me see. So I got in at 10:34. That's 8:34. Do you know what? MetaTrader and its time is so annoying. It was 8:34 and I got out at 8:37. 3 minutes. 3 minutes I was in this trade. 3 minutes. I mean, it really dropped. It happened real quick. Yeah, it's about here. Boom, boom, slap down, in and out. $100 pip stop loss as well. So that encouraged me to hold. Well, I needed at least 100 pip. I wanted at least a 1-to-1. The stop loss was, yeah, it was above this previous high. See, GJ's chilling. So I do want GJ to continue up. Sorry, I don't want to be crunching my biscuits on the live. So gold sells. If I wanted to get into some gold sells, if it's respecting this 4-hour resistance of 41.30 around here, got a nice double top, so this is a good reversal pattern. It's a very good reversal pattern here. Only thing is, it's a pretty decent range. 150 pips. Need a bottom wick for this candle too. Yeah, maybe if gold closes below here, if it's not too much of a, if it doesn't feel the range too much. Ooh, looks good to continue down, you know, not gonna lie. If we get a lower high here. I was thinking about closure below. How big is this candle? It's about standard 100 pips now. These 30-minute candles are at least a standard 100 pips. That one's 130. This one 180. It's just normal. 160 pip 30-minute candles. Madness, madness, madness. What's GJ doing? GJ's coming down. Ooh. I think we may get a retest on pound yen. 203.50. Support right there. I did put that in my daily analysis that I would take buys. I'll be looking at, well, looking at a retest of here to set up for some buys. Okay, gold didn't give me that closure below. Well, we got a bearish candle, respected the high, broke the low. I think gold pushes down from here, you know. Got that lower high. But I don't have a setup to take a trade. Not like this. Sorry, one of my friends needs a ticket for somewhere. Me playing middleman and stuff. Rosie, where did you get into your GJ bias, and what's your target? Where are you looking for a GJ to go? What's gold doing? Yeah, gold is just ranging right here. Gold is just ranging. The entry was 203.4. TP around 204. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Okay. You got the breakout. Got the breakout. This is beautiful. What an entry. What an entry. Even if you use previous lows, look at that. It's only 20 pips. Only 20 pips. For 60 pips. Yes. This is a real nice trade. This is a real nice trade. Yeah, I like that entry. I like that entry. It's a really good entry. Like literally as market opens. Yeah, I fuck with it. Bum, bum. That's a good move right there. Good move. Right, if this candle respects this high and then breaks this low, I'm really considering taking a gold sell here, you know, because now the bearish candles are trending down. So if this candle breaks the low, this will be the second candle to trend bearish. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good. I do think this pullback only gets to about 203.50. I do. If I'm honest with you, it's not gonna be a big pullback. Alright, let's take a look at market. We haven't looked at market today. Let's see what market is saying. So gold slightly bullish, higher time frame bias, intraday slightly bearish. The bearish target is still 4,000. pullback level 4,200. Okay, so the main bias is, well, sells for now. What's impacting gold right now? Aggressive profit taking, stronger USD, and we're going to look at USD as well. Easing geopolitical tensions, optimism around US China trade talks. It's pretty much the same thing as yesterday, isn't it? To be honest. Bullish is the Fed rate cuts, which are coming up next week. Don't forget. Technical indicators show gold found support near 4,050, 4,130. Okay. Pound yen. Higher time frames bullish, intraday bullish. Yeah, I mean that's pretty obvious. Got some bullish higher time frame candles, well, especially the daily. It broke all the highs to the left. Okay, what's impacting pound yen right now? Japanese stimulus. So you know, Japanese, like Sherlock said yesterday, has got that female prime minister, and she's definitely bullish on the Japanese economy, which is good. Bank of Japan, ultra accommodative monetary policy, nice. UK inflation slowdown. Man, the UK and our still high inflation is ridiculous. It's ridiculous. I saw somewhere that Yeeha, maybe you can answer this for me. What are the prices in the US like? I saw a tweet where someone said egg prices are down 82%. Because I know that was a big thing during Trump's presidency. You know, price of eggs are really high. I heard gas is less than $2. I don't know if you can confirm where you live. But do you feel like inflation is going down? Like things are getting slightly cheaper? We've got technical resistance near 204, or it's all neutral. So only bullish, only the Japanese, from the Japanese side is bullish. For GJ, everything else is neutral. So that's probably why we get these very slow pushes up on pound yen. Like rangy and then slow pushes up. Gold, don't tempt me here. What's going on, Ash? He has said things are still expensive for most. Okay. Plus the massive layoffs. So there's been big layoffs. Is that to do with the feds? Is that to do with the government stuff? Or is that other stuff? I really think gold is gonna drop, you know. Do I want to risk it for the biscuit? I really do like gold sells right here. 90 pip stop loss. I thought gold would have pushed up further by now. Right? Gold is chilling. Well, it's not chilling, but it's not really moving much. I think it comes down to make this bottom wick first before it pushes up. This little bottom wick for right here. Come on, gold. What do you reckon? Break the low, push down, slap down. Just a little pullback. Not asking for much. But ideally, you know, it needs to clear these wicks to the left. Benny's in. Good job, good job, good job. Yeah, I don't know. I'm a bit, yeah. I like it. I do like it. I do like it. I do like it. Like I said, we pushed down from 4-hour resistance. No, this current 4-hour candles respected this high. You know, it hasn't really filled much of this previous top wick. If we get a bearish 4-hour candle closure right here, then we've got a lower high and we could continue selling down on gold. I was actually looking for a trade earlier here with this candle. With this candle, but I think the stop loss was too big for me. Oh, I didn't get into that. New 15-minute candle. Yeah, gold's going down. Go on, gold. If it breaks this low, just continue bearish. Funny, it shouldn't do. Echo, I'm still adjusting to 100 pip stop losses. Man, get used to it. It's normal now, because I think before you came in, I was literally just measuring like 30-minute candles. They are on average like 100 pips now. Okay, afternoon. You right, Haroon? Afternoon, or is everyone in a trade? I think just Benny at the moment. Price is hovering at the Asian highs. Wonder if it'll be used as support. Could be, could be, could be. It's true. Look, every time it's tapped down into Asian highs, it's pushed back up. Let's see what happens with gold, because yeah, it could be using it as support. It literally closed right on it on the 15-minute time frame. So if this candle pushes back up or closes as a support, we could get some more buys up. All right, now it's retesting the daily flip. It's a very slow trickle down with gold right now, very slow. But I like that the 15 minutes have been respecting the previous highs and the 30 minutes too. So I'm very aware of these candles starting to trend bearish. Oh look, GJ's still coming down. I'm holding Gbpjpy. Join me. Nah, no one's not joining you just yet. no setup for the buyers just yet. You got a real good entry, so you're good for now. Oh, is gold gonna drive through Asian range? Nope. Pulled back up again. I'm confused, but because I've been holding a buy since last night. However, I don't like the fact that we haven't broken prior 4-hour high. Yeah, yep. So when I'm looking at the 4-hour time frame, I'm seeing it creating bearish structure, but obviously it depends on how this current 4-hour candle closes. And then the previous candle has wicked into 4-hour resistance and then, you know, pulled down, and this current 4-hour hasn't pushed up much. But we know right before the 4-hour candle closes, gold likes to move like a couple hundred pips, you know. So just need to see how this 4-hour candle closes, but we haven't broken the high and we also haven't broken the low. So it really depends on how strong this 4-hour candle body is. Is it going to be strong bearish? Because if it is, then I don't know, I haven't moved that. I don't know how much further it's going to drop, but if we get a strong candle body, I think the next candle continues bearish. We have a minor support here as well. Little support, so Rosie's been in this trade since Rosie's entry. She put it in the chat earlier. It was 203.4. So Rosie's been in. This is Rosie's trade right here. Rosie, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna. I mean, you put the numbers in, so I know you ain't. You don't feel no way. This is Rosie's trade right here. I don't know where I shouldn't actually put where her stop loss was, but either way. Now, if this was me personally, Rosie don't like to. She doesn't like to close partials. It's either TP or stop loss. That's it. But once I saw this resistance created here, and GJ kept tapping and it's not breaking, I would have got out. I would have got out, to be honest. I would have been out. Because now it's created a really strong resistance. Do you know what I mean? And it's pulling back. So yeah, I would have been out of this. But then I was thinking price would come and retest this broken resistance on the 4-hour as well, which, you know, coincides with this support. So just need to see what happens here. We could hold at this support and then push back up. You never know. Alright, back to our favorite pair. Alright, this area by 4106 is where I had the 4-hour higher low for its uptrend structure. 4106. Yeah. I mean, gold is driving through. We might get a bigger 4-hour candle body. I want it to at least come down and make this bottom wick here anyway. Yeah, I mean, if I was in sales, that would be my TP down here, like 4095. Let it create a little bottom wick and then, you know, maybe push back up. Goldie, how far are we dropping? Close 50 pips on those cells. Well done, Benny. Well done. Okay, well done. It was a nice move. It was a nice move. It was a good shout. Yeah. I mean, it lined up. It did line up. Can't lie. Like, respecting 4-hour resistance, pulling back. This 4-hour candle not really pushing up much. 30-minute double top. It usually is a bit of a reversal pattern. Is a reversal pattern here. And then what really would have sealed it for me is the fact that the 30-minute candle starting here, respected the previous high, broke the low, and then this current candle also respected the high and then broke the low. So now the candles are trending bearish. Look, 1-hour continuation pattern. It just, yeah, it looked good. Looked good for a quick scalp. I'm glad it worked out. But look, still respecting them Asian highs, boy. Still respecting them Asian highs. It's what gold does. Gets you close some and then right back to entry. Damn. Cool. Let's see what the 15-minute does, how it closes. I mean, if the 15-minute closes bullish, again, remember, it was respecting Asian highs. So it could close with another wick right on top of Asian highs. Another long 30-minute wick. Gold is just looking real confused right now. Real confused, can't lie. What does it do? Swings up in the last 5 minutes of the candle, as it does. A little 80 pips swing. It's like normal for gold now. Okay, so I want to see if DJ wants to continue down, it needs to close below this support. But if it holds, it could form a support here to push back up. We'll see. But if this 4-hour candle closes back in the range, I would go break even, Rosie, if it closes back in the range. You know, no point taking a loss after being up like, where did it get to? 75. Being up like 30 pips. No point. Yeah, real confused. I could see both buyers and sells with this gold price movement. Yeah, same. But if this 4-hour candle closes weak bullish, weak bearish, then we could be getting a continuation pattern to push up. So yeah, I see both buys and sells as well. Oof, look how this 30-minute candle closed. Jeez. Straight push up. But this is what it's been doing. Pushing up, making a top wick, and then dropping. Is it going to break this previous high? Yep. There we go, Goldie. Nice little push up. Just need to break above this resistance and just keep flying. Will we catch the buys? I mean, if gold closes above this resistance, yeah, then it will be above this 4-hour resistance as well. And then I'll just be looking for like the closure above, a pullback, and then I'm getting in. Simple as that. Simple, simple, simple. So gotta wait for this candle to close now, because I want to see, especially this 4-hour candle, if it can fill this wick, fill this previous 4-hour candle high, and also break resistance. And then we'll have a breaker structure as well, because right now 28 minutes wait, I know, right? 28 minutes, but you need them confirmations. Right now we got gold, it's like this. I would even call this a resistance because it's just sort of where the daily candle opened. But if we close bearish, then obviously we've got a lower high and we could continue down. But if gold closes above here, then we're breaking this resistance, and then yeah, I think we push up. Okay, GJ's made a bottom wick to push back up. Go on, GJ. Trying to build on your patience. Hey, patience pays. Patience pays. You got to spell it like this. Patience. I hope we get a rocket. I wonder will price go up to test the H4 prior high in the next 27 minutes. What over here? 41.62. I need to live chat, that's better. I like that spelling. Patience pays. Yes, patience does pay. No top wick on the last 4-hour candle. At 41.37. Let's take a look, see. Yeah, I don't see it. Ah, is it here? You're talking about this candle from Tuesday? Oh, sorry. You're not saying no top wick. No, the top wick on the last H4 candle. Got you. Got you. It took me a minute. Who am I looking at? Oh yeah, man. I think if gold pushes, we definitely get a wick fill. I think we get a wick fill. That would be nice. You know, it's gonna wait to the last 5 minutes. So at 155, gold will just rocket up. Just gotta be patient. Just wait for it, and then we can just jump in on the next candle. You know. I like that that gold kept closing on top of Asian, not on top of Asian, on top of the daily flip as well. So look, every time we sort of became bearish, it's just pushed right back up. Should get a nice wick fill. Looks like GJ's pushing back up too. But look, gold has cleared these highs to the left. Did it break the 1 hour high? Just about broke that 1 hour high too. So I mean, if you look at the structure on a 1 hour time frame, it's a nice bullish structure. You know, to the moon, to the moon. There we go. Gold should break above this resistance. I got in at 40.75. I set a stop loss, end up falling asleep, woke up in a panic. Damn. Looks like it's gonna break. Yeah, I think it is. Then I got in again a short while ago after M5 engulfed on the Asian highs. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Man, if I fell asleep in a trade and I woke up and couldn't check it, yeah, it doesn't feel great. It wouldn't feel great. All right, come on, gold, break this resistance. Break it, break it. Oh, just don't go crazy though. Come on. It woke me the fuck up big time. That's it. It stayed up now, innit? Just up and can't go back to sleep. But it must have felt good when you were still in the trade. You were safe. Let's take that off this. Just want to see that over here. This is a nice break though. It's a nice break. This is good. Oh man, this is a good strong push right here. Just need to, you know, keep going. Let's see if we can close above this resistance. It'll be good if the 15-minute can. Just to, you know, just to start us off. So glad I got out. Listen, you have to be in and out with golds, especially if you're, for me personally, if you're trying to scalp, holding for long, it never goes in my favor. It never goes in my favor. Unless well, yeah, I'd have to be in some really good profits to hold. 15-minute didn't want to close above, get us started. It's crazy how much gold like pulls back. Five minutes, jeez, 94 pips. I really don't want gold to stay in this range. I can't even call it much of a rejection because it's still quite a strong candle body. I hope we break this range. Yeah, no, I hear it. I hear it. Gold has been here forever. I mean, yeah, it really has. How long have we been in this range? So we came back in from here. So it's been 4.5 hours. Just sideways. And every time we break out of the range, we push right back in. We push out of the range, we come back in. I don't think it stays here for the rest of the day, but we're gonna move somewhere. It has to. It has to. I really thought this was going to be the start of the breakout. Gold had other ideas. Need a bottom wick too, that would be great. What's the chock of the day? funny. Oh. So gold pushing, GJ. Ooh. I mean, it's not even like it's hasn't, you know, retested Asian highs. Hasn't really broken the support yet. Come on, Goldie. Wick fill. Break the high. Keep going. Do you know what? I'm not really concerned with 15-minute bottom wicks as much as 30-minute candles. I mean, if I just went on a 30-minute time frame, wouldn't even notice that that 15 doesn't have a bottom wick. Go on, let's get do a proper breakout this time. Come on, got 10 minutes left. This is what we expect from gold. Last 5 to 10 minutes, we just rock it. Do you know what? Last night I was up late-ish, just after Asian session open, and I was just jumping through people's live streams, and you know, there was about 4 people that were trading gold, that were in gold sells. Like, expecting gold to push down, all the way back down. I was like, I don't know if that's gonna play out, man. I don't know. It's not looking good. Woke up this morning and gold had just pushed up here. So I know one guy's stop loss was like 41.17. And his entry was, it was like, he'd taken an entry before the market closed. I remember it gapped up. So his entry was around here somewhere, like 4,000, 4,100-ish. I saw all Asian session, all Asian streamers for the Asian session. Oh. Feel a bit cold. Go on, gold breakout. Ooh, we're gonna get that push last 5 minutes. So it wouldn't be this one, it'll be the next candle. Missy Elliott type beat. So this playlist is on Spotify. Sunny Beats. Sunny Beats. How you doing, Smokey? Any trades today? Hopefully some wins. We're waiting on this closure above. Nothing today. Okay. Not yet. Hopefully we can catch a win. I just want to see this next 5-minute candle blast off. because you know it likes to do that right before the candle closes. The 30-minute candle closes, I would say. We get a nice push. Might even get a wick fill. What do you reckon, guys? 100 pip 5-minute candle? Light work. Light work. It's light work. So I want a push above this resistance. The new 4-hour candle, just to wick back, tap this resistance, and then just keep flying. You know, first stop 41.55. The Boots meal deal. Lucozade for energy and a Snicker. You have some crazy meals, you know, Haroon. That was quite the retracement wick on yesterday's daily candle. Yesterday. It was. Do you know what, actually? I was meaning to ask you that I got blasted by 100 pip 1-minute candle in Asian the other day. It shot up so quickly I didn't even get a chance to put my stop loss in. Ugh. Yo, sometimes, as soon as like a 30-minute candle opens or just before it closes, it goes crazy. To be honest, when candles have been just opening, it's just been shooting up. Yesterday it did that. It did that here. And I was gonna ask Ash, was it a triple divergence? Because I know he was looking at a push up. Whenever I see the candles, I remember seeing the divergence you posted yesterday. I should have gone back to that chart or just put a RSI on. But when I saw gold make this lower low and then push up, I was like, okay, this divergence is about to play out. That's all I could think. When I see it create like lows like that, yeah, it was a triple divergence, so the move will be huge. Yeah, I thought so. I thought of you when I saw it. No bottom wick here, it just pushed up. Alright, here we go. Alright, I want this candle to fly now. Go on, gold. Blast off. But upwards. I want buys. It's not really giving us that push, and that low was right at 40.14, and that's the weekly engulfing area where the weekly candle opened last week. I wanted to get in on the move, but the H1 had no bottom wick. Facts, it just flew up. It was just straight up. I remember watching it like, okay, is it gonna come back for this bottom wick at all? Gold said no, I'm good. I'm just going up from here, thanks. And was looking for like a closer retest of the Asian lows. Just didn't happen. Ooh, gold, you're going the wrong way. Don't respect this resistance, come on. So look, 4 hours just tapped right into this resistance again. And it looks like it's holding. Come on, 2 minutes. Go on, push up. Daily fib retrace back up to 2360. Is that for sells? You said retrace back up, so I'm guessing that's a pull back up to the 2360. So that's a sell speed bump, right? Ooh, this is gonna be a very tight close unless we get a good 30 pips spike up in the next 30 seconds. Come on, golds. This is good. This is good. I'm not gonna lie, I thought we would have filled this wick to the left. We had a 4-hour wick fill. For buyers, it fell below, and at the end of the day it retraced back up after selling. Also notice how daily is no longer in the overbought area. Okay, cool. Oh no, I think gold just pushes up. Guys, I'm getting in at the break of this high. It's breaking a 4-hour high. Ooh. Let's see. Boom. All right, I'm in a trade here. Oh my goodness. Previous lows a stop loss. Resistance to the left. Why did it close like that? I know. Listen, I'm snatching pips out of this. But also, if it pulls back to create a longer bottom wick, then I'm going to be closing partials very quickly. Very quickly. Yeah, I'm in. Got in at 23, 29, 28. I knew it was going to be quick. That's why I was saying, oh no, because I had a feeling it would just push up. I didn't have a time to do a buy stop. I knew it was going to do that. But if it pulls back too much, I'm just going to close it very quickly. Why doesn't it show both? Oh, it is. Shit. Come on, gold, push. Okay, it's broke that 4-hour high already. Just wanted to re-break it. Give me a little 50 pips. Fill this wick to the left. my neck. Buying into 4-hour resistance. Yeah, but the candle closed bullish, so I think this 4 hours should make a top wick. If it does want to reverse, it should at least make a top wick, and then yeah, just give me at least like 50 pips. Give me a bit of a wick fill here to the left. You know what I mean? If it doesn't want to continue all the way up. But I'm definitely not letting this trade run all the way down here. Absolutely not. Absolutely not. In fact, I'm gonna see what this 15-minute candle does. If the 15-minute candle closes below the resistance, I'll just close the trade. I'd get out. Because I want to stay above this resistance. But I'm anticipating, you know, the 4 hour getting a longer bottom wick. Alright, let me put that up just in case. And 15 closes below. I have faith in gold, you know? Take me to the moon, gold. Take me to the moon. Or at least take me to this wick fill. I don't ask gold for much, just a little 50 pips, you know, something like. Like the live, that usually helps gold move in our direction. Facts. Facts. Right? Like the live because I haven't lost you no money yet. No, let me not say yet. That's crazy. That's crazy. There we go. Go on, go. Give us a push. Facts. What's that? 50 pips? Damn. Alright. I'm no joke. I'm looking to lock some in. Alright. My stop loss is at break even. When I get back to 50 pips, I'm gonna lock some in. Magic keys. It's roughly about here. Roughly. But I just click a button and then boom, close 80%. Damn, it's like just under 50, bro. What is this? It's actually 34. Gotta be in and out of gold, boy. So do you always wait for a 4-hour break and then go and retest the 30? Not normally, but if I am using the 4-hour time frame, then I am using, it doesn't necessarily have to be a break, but because we're bullish and at a 4-hour resistance, then I'll prefer that resistance to be broken usually. And then, yeah, get a retest and then get into the buys. Like sometimes, oh, all right, I closed 80%. So I've closed 80% at 50 pips. And then I'm just gonna let this runner run. My target for buys are 41.56, and then yesterday's high is 41.61. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's where my TP is. This little resistance here, it's pretty much 41.56. It's kind of close-ish. Alright, let's see if this runner keeps running, because a lot of the time I'll close some, price will come back to my entry, and then we'll keep going. Can take that off. How's GJ doing? It's a good question. I mean, like, this support is holding. This support is holding. So we pulled back to this broken resistance. 4 hours currently respecting this previous low. So I don't know. I'm quite bullish on GJ at the moment. So I think GJ can keep pushing. I want it to for Rosie's sake anyway. But yeah, it's created this nice little range. I think we still go up, to be fair. I think we still go up. Should I risk it for a biscuit on GJ? Oof. I mean, if you... with pound yen, you gotta be good with set and forget. Yeah, you gotta just let that thing run. You know what I mean? But I don't see any entries just yet. I would like, I mean, if this current candle, if the previous candle had formed a really strong support, then I would have looked to get in on the 2 o'clock candle. Because if it had pushed up some more, you'd have a longer bottom wick on the 4-hour time frame. And then this current candle, if it made a bottom wick and then broke that high, I think it would be a good confirmation of continued buys. Alright, so people that have funded accounts, what's your strategy for passing the phases? Do you, like, how much risk do you use per trade? And then do you have, like, do you have a certain risk reward that you use as well? Or is it just however the trade plays out, I just close wherever? I close wherever the market is telling me to close. Or do you aim for a certain profit target? I'll just play with gold. Hey, gold is gold is not even the safer option. I was gonna say gold is a safer option. It's definitely not. But look, we just got 50 pips in less than 15 minutes. And GJ has moved, what's that, 37 pips in an hour and a half. You got to be able to set and forget, man. Set and forget. Come on, Goldie. Push. At least give us that wick fill. There we go. Oh, Goldie, you coming back down a bit? A new 15-minute. We need to make it past this 4-hour resistance. Yes. I think we're good. 15-minute, nice strong closure. Got a bottom wick. Still trending up. Yeah, man. I think gold's good to go. Needs to break its own high on the 30-minute and then just to the moon. You know what? GJ's looking good for buys, you know, can't lie. Look, broke that previous 1-hour high, respecting the low. GJ's looking good. It's looking real good. There we go. Lovely, 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 lovely. Finally broke that previous 4-hour high. 100 pips. Damn right. Boom. Nice, 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 nice. I hope you guys held. Haroon, did you catch this? Did you hold? I know you like to close early. Everyone caught it, yeah? Nice, nice, nice. Nice. My work here is done. Come on, gold. I reckon it can just push up 150 pips before this candle closes. Doubt it. That's a nice push. Wicked, wicked, wicked. I got out a little earlier than you. Yeah, I knew you would. I knew you would, Haroon. I knew you would. This is why I leave runners, especially if I want to hold. That's how I learned to hold longer, by leaving runners. Like closing, like yeah. The runner's running. The runner's running. I mean, you got full positions running, right? You got a few positions going. Yeah, you're nice. You say another 1,000 pip day? 1,000 pipper? Just need gold to get to this resistance now. So, yeah, it's not far away. I think gold can do it. Got slapped on Tuesday after such a great Monday and Friday, working my way back. I hate when that happens. You have a good couple days and then one day just kind of ruins it. But you know what? The thing is, every day is not going to be a good day. You just need to make sure that bad day is not too bad. Do you know what I mean? Otherwise, all that work you've done is for what? Is for what? This guy's moving strange. If necessary, so be it. You aiming for the 255 area? Yes, yeah, 4155, yeah. That's my 40p. 40p. But I'm looking to trail my stop loss, so I'll probably move my stop loss up like 100 pips. So put it at maybe 41.40. Ooh, there we go. Nice little pop. Always pushing. You might even get there in the next 5 minutes. Little 100 pips. Last 5-minute candle. Come on, Goldie. Let's go. Let's go. We're close. 72 pip candle before. Alright, come on. Next one can do it. Alright, gotta survive the bottom wick. Well, yeah, I don't think this one's coming all the way. Come on, gold. Nearly there. Need this 5 minutes to flip and drive up. It nearly flipped. Boom, 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 boom. Go on, there we go. Just 70 pips. Copy. All right, what we up? 200 pip runner so far. Come on, goat. Nearly there, nearly there. Imagine if you'd held this full trade, Haroon. Full 200 pips you could have had just now. I need to learn to keep one runner. I'm telling you. Sometimes runners do some real damage, like really bump up the profits. Sometimes they don't. Do you know what I mean? Sometimes you just hit break even, but when they run, the runners can move. that run on the track team today. I'm telling you. Run is moving. No, it was looking good. Once the 4 hour, like, I know Rosie thinks I committed a trading sin by buying into this 4 hour support, but I like the way this current the previous 4 hour candle closed. And then because we were breaking that high as well, I had more confidence price was going to continue up. You know? So yeah, typically I wouldn't buy it into a resistance, but yeah, I had good reason to. I had better confirmations. So I do have my runner at 100 pips. I moved my stop loss into profit, 100 pips. Oh, which looks like it's very close to being hit. It's 41.39. Oh, I don't know why this is so big. Because, you know, gold likes to run backwards sometimes. She does. Looks like GJ is dropping back down too. GJ can't be trusted. GJ can't be trusted, yo. Oh, still in. Just about. Jeez, that was close. That was very close. I nearly got stopped out there. I nearly got stopped out. That was very close. This is a serious pullback. This is why I protect my oh yeah, now I'm stopped out. Now I'm stopped out. Okay, runner hit 100 pips in profit. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'll take it. You know, can't be too greedy. But yeah, well done if you took it. If you even caught 20 pips out of that, well done. Well done. Look at gold. Look at gold. This is why I moved my runners into my stop loss into profits. 130 pip pullback. Ugh. Now, if this had hit my stop loss, if my runner had hit stop loss at break even, I would have been pissed. I can't lie. I cannot lie. I would have been very pissed. Because that is a massive pullback. But yeah, guys, thanks for joining me. Well done if you caught that trade. Well done if you held longer than I did. Well done if you caught some and you didn't. But yeah, back again tomorrow. Hopefully we can catch some more pips. And I will see you then. Peace out. Look at gold's gonna flip and drive. wwws. Peace out, peoples. Yeah, like the stream on your way out, especially if you made some money. Thank you.